What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some of people yesterday me did for go in a video, but I telling them me never to 100 yesterday. You see me? Me did look a bit under the weather, so you know what I mean. Back again today if you go on, you know what I mean, the latest. So a bunch of things are going on TikTok, my people. The latest right now, Rosealee growing at Jake's yard and them kick off, my people. A bag of sitting on glass mirror mash or something. You see it, me I go share that with the youth name Ziggy and all, my people. The man say he might take down figure it out. You see me I say, yo, me I tell her be a laugh, me I laugh, my people. The way man I go on. You know how him animated and go on. Yeah. So me I go share that with Uno. You see me I say also have KTV and K at it cause the dog must ask her if she alright or something. You see me? I'm a people, you know what I mean? K, me not feel like say she 100 after the breakup because she really love that nigga there. You see it? And me feel like say she did half a left. You know what I mean? For her own sanity, she did half a left. Because down to this day she love him so till, but she did need some, you know what I mean, some like distance from the G if kinda feel back herself, cause you know what I mean, the dog you would say you know, like make she lose who she is certain way. And seeing Shana controller and the dog online right now, I live them best life at that K want. You see me I say, but here we go my people. At the end of the day me always say this. Seeing me know say this is a double standard because we want the hottest girl. You see me I say, and we want the hottest girl for only want us. I want we are you personally, nobody else. See, we cut up and way if she have a next man, which way we supposed to know say yo, any girl at, you know what I mean, if you have more than one man, cause every man see it I go look it. And she a go fall for one of them. You see it? So the next we around, you know, we in the streets and I live our best life. You see me I say, hot boy, we want every girl and we want our girl if you have one man. You see me I say, so Shana Chin other person there right now will bring a different flavor to the dog life. Cause Shana Chin not try to control the dog, you know, although I control her she name, you know. She just a try to slide herself in him life and just a hold a position where she get. She not too rushing but no woman. Shana Chin we go walk off a girl with the man. Or care a girl for the dog walk them. You see me? And them something that the dog want. But Cage want the dog for yourself. You know what I mean? So enough of that my people, we are gonna share that we don't know. We have other things also. Brit and Zozo, you know, you must see the screen record yesterday with Zozo go put out the youth where I try take Brit from him. Or I try, you know what I mean, feel in position when Brit cut. So make we get in that my people.
Brit have thousands of family. Mother, sister, brother, auntie, uncle, niece and nephew, and none of them never one time when Bishop Brit a crash out on the internet and say, come we carry her to hospital. But no, uno blood clot when Zozo carry girl to hospital, they will say, oh, we carry him go and start fight against the girl. I said no. When Brit making $1,000 off a TikTok, a whole fucking TikTok in a Brit. Me remember say Brit used to run the internet with him myself, you know. And that's why I say when I tell we I say Brit no mad, you know. Oh, mad people fear to do certain things, you know. Until when time Brit really get mad now, start your raw bacon. Every morning man your raw bacon and mix up this and mix up that and that. And nobody now fucking look. At that time, when you know see Zozo come now and decide say, alright, he might go really do what if you do and help her. And she come back round now. You should have been the one me never say. People don't fuck up and you know, if you sit down there, maybe you know what when you really get the side of her life, no one she like Zozo. So me now say Ray. She ever really was say, yo, me nobody want him. But no, you can't come on social media can disrespect people who take you out of the fucking pig liberty where they in. You can't disrespect people like that. You understand? Some man do some man something, you know. But me can't tell you this. A 4 brother me have one outside brother. 4 4 brother me have. Any girl, ask them about me. They never tell me certain things. Any one of them I'm no girl. And then girl feel like they can diss them. I better blood clot no me come eat no. Come me allow the girl anyone me see me a cuss him, anyone me see me a fight. Because no girl can run on my brother them. Never hide that from me. Come eat. Ask my brother them. Any girl me here say, I run put my brother them certain way. Big pussy girl me I go class yo. Your mama, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, me blood clot body. Come no girl not run put my brother them. Me not run certain joke with my brother them. Oh. Look on the boy now, come take you up now, and you contact but say you are go, I take you act like you want clown out the fucking youth with blood clot idiot Yankee boys. No, me not like that, brother. And then TikTok people my boy, yeah, I like this for Brit and so this. Remember so take you across the pussy clot river. That's what I say, but remember you don't cross the river yet. Cause any DNA and the top take that mad medication they over, you know. At that me know. Oh fuck. Don't believe that. And if you're mad one time, you go mad again. What's if you're mad for your own? You fuck for no. So if you're mad already, you're mad rascal again. Yeah. These man never come antagonize me. I'm so hard people over there. I can't bother with you right now. They don't leave me alone. I'm so hard again. I'm going to go combine come scream at time. I would say Escobar. Nah, answer me that. So I want to say people because I don't see people are going back road. Yeah, do you know? I say people they don't give me money on TikTok, they're afraid. But they don't give me their money, so I don't chat with them. And everybody has say Ray. If I'm like blood clots, so you think me I play no match with no girl, them and them man. I friend you up and grab a poison. Remember that. And the next one when I see again I grow now, what they break up blood clot fuck out one. What you gonna put me? What's your name, man? I thought why little girl when they beat up. And I thought what she not what they put in allegation. And tell you something about life. In our life, I always hear old people say, see if you don't have good to say, don't say nothing. If somebody sick, that's why I'm telling my kids them say, certain things also some people don't laugh off of them. Don't laugh. Some of the time, some things reach some people in our life. And some people that wonder why it reach them in our life. And we just say, I could have made this happen to him, and you're sorry for him, you know. But you see, hard what some people have, God have to slow them down. Some ways what some people have, God have to slow them down. Best believe. I can't tell you that. Look at this little girl now. Yeah, she's a teenager. And them beat her one thing, you know. Kayla, mother, Kayla. So your mother strong. Come never carry no handicap world, you know. And anybody feels it. Them all handicap up, none of me pick them. And I take it. Best believe it. Mr. God have to kill me when me done. Cause this is either the high way, the harder way, the high some fucking way. Cause me now sit down and ball. Me a ball, you a ball, every blood clot body for you a ball. Cause I me not take it so. Alright, I don't talk. Me say would be able I would even be notorious for pussy clot. Cause me no want them come shoot me, kill me. Silent killing me depan. And me don't talk. Cause me just one of them a girl wait. We beat up woman, she that work our call center up a Sutherland call center. Then she go, they must say, hey.
My people, we see them something I go many different ways, you know. You see me I say are two different ways. We see man unalive man over woman also. You see it. So upon a level we in life have to just be careful because your life don't call a woman no really value your life. More find the right words to put it, but that's how I put it right now. Or a man no really value your life. So if you're in a friendship, girlfriend, boyfriend, and you find out say, you know what I mean, there's somebody else cut a whole heap of woman in the world and a whole heap of man in the world. You see me I say? Find somebody else deal with. That's all me can say. You know what I mean? Because your life no worth that. You see it. One thing me learn in a life, you know, my people, and one of my uncle tell me this, you know, me always have this in the back of my brain, you know, although one time me slip up, you know, my people. The man tell me say no God no woman yard, you know. Although I know woman yard alone, them can catch you and hurt you. But that are the main thing. You see me I say? So you have to just be careful when it come to woman and them something there. And my time or in my days of gallus, you know what I mean, them youth I never did so terrible a dash a man over woman. Them did terrible, you know, but them never did so terrible and jumpy. Like them a look youth here, you know. You see me? And them a woman here where a war girl over man and but what gonna happen to these females? You see, what them are going to send them a prison or what? Them are going to compensate this girl here for make she can pay her hospital bill, although the mother get too much millions and say she not pay none. You see me? What go on with them girl? Because I not follow up the case, you know. Tell me in the comment section. Make you watch some more with people.
Some people deal with things different. Me not have a talk. But then me see the little thinking low life one day she them the girl never have no life. Only thing them a show up vanity, this and that. Everyone me never know that never make no fucking sense. I got talk about the little girl that pass some little remarks and I say certain things. Only thing me can't tell all you in a bitch. Remember say they run a steering every day. You travel, you drive. Just remember so you drive, you know. You start a car every day and you have your pitney in that car every day. And God will show us, God will just do nothing, but I don't feel like a people are doing no things. I don't feel like a people are hobby on no. I don't feel like a people are put more pound no and so on. God just shows to you say, you know what me show you say you can't have a heart and remember the world can turn against you. You see people who drive every single day, you're going in your fucking vehicle, if you see certain things pass social media, you not good for say, you better you lock your fucking mouth, and that me do. Because I with the little girl, you know, when she go past that, remember you can simply go to a blood clot road. Just drive out of your driveway and you go once and just right. Remember 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 you go once and just right. Now we two of them know was stay so. And you know say at the prisoner in that jail and the police am carry him go different jail. And the vehicle turn over with them and him crash and all of them dead and him not dead and him turn vegetable in turn. Yeah. You see people who work with what in a health field make it easier. People in the health field like me, certain things what we see and certain things that we know what can happen to people because other people are just sick up. Sometimes an accident, any all kind of little something reach them, make my face up all in a wheelchair. You will lie down on your bed. We got your bed good, not like now. And when we wake up tomorrow morning, you can't blood clot walk. You cannot move. You will feel one simple little headache. And when you got a doctor, then tell us you have to do 20,000 tests. Till then tell us this in your, that in your, that in your, and God just put you in a one wheelchair. You have to be careful of things they want to say on social media. Because people have feelings. I have to be careful of things they want to remarks them want to pass against people. That little girl, I'll see that video now where you ever said that about her now. Remember you have a child, bro. You see me? And you ever pass that remarks about that little girl now. You don't know no heart and no conscience. I mean, you know how people support you know. I mean, you know how people clap phone every day. You know, say, oh, nobody not obligated to play a match with nobody. Nobody at all, nobody not obligated to play a match with nobody. But I'm tell you, something about all of the TikTok of them. Every single one of the TikToker them, I don't best believe this. And nobody can see them a draw out themselves. Every one of them on TikTok is a cloud chaser. From the big to the little coming down is a cloud chaser. And if you don't take in TikTok, you don't know for yourself. If somebody rise up now, just like the little thinking girl pass remarks about Kaylin or Kaylin and what she want him. If Kaylin or Kaylin, somebody type in so I can't correct it. If that girl, they come on the media, talk our story about what happened that night. If she did do that, and when she come talk her Kaylin, if when she come and talk the story and they hear the whole details about that little girl, and the story what she talk get viral, and she come on and start get viral, and she come and she start play a game, and she come and she a dance, and she come and she a do it, and she a do the things them. Me guarantee say all of the big TikToker them would have find them little tiny time and start play with that girl. Every last one of them, and the remarks would have bitch the pass she uno passy.
2026, my dear. You heard Pitney. Remember, so we know your category where you stand. You heard kid, you grip people without them blood clot consent. You forget where you got prison for? The little schoolboy a Calabar where you unalive. So
My people, let me tell you something, man. You see TikTok have some of the worst people them. You hear me? Some of the worst people them TikTok have. And me don't know if some of them did so dirty and turn bad before TikTok. But me not lie, TikTok bring the worst out of them. Because you see this cloud chasing and them a do some extreme things where people are accept nowadays. You see me I say? So them nobody know did they say, yo, Ray, you know what I mean? This and that and blah blah. And that's why when it come to like what them a say about the people them who are clean card and them something there, I kinda believe say something a go on. Me know if to that, you know what I mean? If I that are the right thing will go on, but something will go on because you see people where I look for people support them or like them a thing that them are depend on people supporting them are gonna depend on them best behavior. You see me? And them are people yeah, the way them are going on TikTok, them show say them sure them support. You know what I mean? So make a watch some more.
of course you're not gonna have no feelings towards Kiki child. Is that me say? Is that me say? I'ma stand for my word, darling there. So you the pay like the pan big pussy this and 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 self like uno. So me stand pan when me say anything me say that me I work with. Me no support the part where you go about Kiki Pitney. I don't care. So all when you come talk about me not like Kiki, that not have nothing to do with me. Me put my feelings aside and talk the blood clot truth, whether I don't like it or not. Shani saw my baby. Me no care. Me not feel like Kiki if you talk the truth. Me not have to like Kiki if you talk the truth. More than likely, that way you say about her child never good. But if Kiki wants to sit down and play with you, that's a fair problem. She not like fair pitney and she not love fair pitney. It clearly show we say, if she go back go play with you, she not like fair pitney. So she, anything when she get again, she have to take that blood clot. Yeah. So if she go back, you see like come and say Ivany black you, you see you for stay. Me not care if Kiki want go back go play with you. At the end of the day, what you say about that little girl, wrong. I'ma stand on that and I not take it back candy whether you like it or not. That's not my problem because I get to understand that words are win. Nothing what you say can't hurt me. Twin one. Nothing what you say can't hurt me, my dear. Cannot hurt me. Sticks and stones can break my bone, but words could never hurt. You couldn't say nothing for hurt me, my dear. I've been through too much. I've been from Facebook to Instagram to TikTok. So I feel like nothing wanna tell me could have hurt me. Make me feel some type of weird. Make me say, oh, me got breakdown or whatever. Hell no. I'm used to this shit. You forget? So I feel like someone come and do well on a chair and candy. Yeah, me eat Shay. Me not like her. Me not this, me not that. Yeah, bring down the girl. That can't do nothing to me, darling. God always bless me on the face. God know the heart to me have. Me no look. A time for them get rid of blood clot, yo. You're too disgusting for your man. And the bag of little stinking girl must support you. I hope Candy tell you the things about you pitney too. I wish it reach you know. Make you feel exactly like blood clad feel. All of the girl must see her run back at Candy and support and this. I hope it reach. I hope him come knocking at you blood clad door and tell you everything and tell you how much who do no pitney them nyam. I saw me want him back when I wanna deal with you same way. I see him some want him did one on. The whole of them sit down and cheer for him and they pan class the girl. This, that, ray. You bad mind for what? I have a pum. Una a batty man, una trying to be a females. Remember, una try copy everything what we do. We wear wig man while wear wig. We wear eyelash man while wear eyelash. One for bad mind can differ. In batty wall, we deep. Me a pum and a bottom. Me's a real man. Blood come out of pussy. Baby come out of pussy. Can a man do that? What for bad man him for? Explain. Because I don't understand. Bad man and man was just trying to be a female. Everything what we do, you see when I look at pencil foot pants, you no want put it on. You see when I look at tube top, you no want put it on. What for bad man and man for? On a so wear we look a panty, on want put on panty too. On a sound so stupid. Share your bad mind. Bad mind what? On a see we put our sexy tights, so no want put it on too. Everything we wanna see we now no want it. What am I for bad mind for? What have our nails, no want do it too. What for bad man whenever? When is a man? The fuck? Me not delusional, you know. Nika, you know that darling there. Sometimes when I behave like you don't want to outdo it. As females. I say what I say already. Candy, where you gonna do beat me? Wanna see with breast, we born with breast, or no want breast too. We born with pum pum, or no want cut off cocky and put on pum pum. There's nothing there to bad man for, darling. There's nothing there, sweetie. More than likely, I stand for my words and I stand for what I say. If Kiki want to talk back to you, play a match with you, that's a fair problem. That for show you the level of money. That will show we say you no love your daughter. That's how you make it sound. So if you want to go back play back with him, that's a fair problem. That not have nothing to do with you. That ain't my problem, boo. So you must feel like some make a come as a come sit down and argue with you and make peer nice and re. No, bro. I try to cut out certain things. Oh, you love people business, so what are you doing over here? Who share the life to you? Nobody share the life to you. I did not share my life to you, sweetie. Not me. You did not get a share from me. Check your inbox. Never share my life to your darling there. No. Over here, I never share my life too, no. I did not.
Zaza, you want me and care anywhere? Don't be Zaza!
Zoom up by your hypocrite. She can't run your
Bumbo clot! A badness also used for the people, them. Pussy, a badness I use. A badness I use.
It's not badness, Zoom, you're bright. The girl just want a power man, you're bright.
Yo, keep it there, Yankee, you know? When me see the wrong glass there, so.
Yeah, man.
No pussy test wrong glass.
Yes.
No pussy test the wrong glass.
The more you make those
Machete. Last chopping. Chop out the what face now. Show a billion black in her pussy head.
Right now. Right now. Right now. Zoom minus his screen record them. What
see
his screen record them, man?
Me see like I say pussy don't find me wanna come. Let the place. Let the place pussy and then I just have your map.
Say you want the series. Say you want the series. Like how Akeem and Rosealee are the series.
That's why. That's 3 roses.
Yeah.
People, that's why me I telling about girl yard, you know. You see how Brit could have make this youth get unalive. Although this is a thing we play out on TikTok, well, me don't feel like say Zozo I go to that. You see me, but if it was a different person, different situation, you see how it could have happened. Enough of them man, them foolish too, cause them just meet girl and go on a girl yard too. You know what I mean? Oh, you feel just, although when I see it, maybe I see him here where them come from. But you can't just go on a girl yard and in a girl house and chill and wear and play. You see me, I say, no, you don't have to know what I do. You can't dash on a life them type of, you know how much man life get dash them type of way, my people? But careful, yeah, man. Careful what I do. You see it? Because girl, we tell us that them a man left, you know. When the man not have it, say them left. You see me, although she tell him say, yo, we left. But him not go nowhere. You see me? I see him something like this. Can't happen, man, and somebody get unalive. You see me? Because this a boy I open a Brit house, a drink and a chill and a, yeah, I'm a man a yard now. Look how Zozo go put him out. People let me know what they think. Make watch some more, yeah, man. Bumbo club, I say.
So me make you know say yo, like what Rosealee series here pre. Beg Rosealee I use her for Akeem. Make Rosealee go back to GS and you put on the underpants and go over there go check blood clot and some gunman. Make you give a piece of a series. Cause a series on though. All body one.
Point up the description.
One more time.
My say, point up the description.
Ah, thank you, chat.
Boy, Zozo a killer, you know.
Oh, I'm running out of my village.
Yo, I saw to the wrong guys.
That hungry man around him, alright, man.
Fight the man, fight him relationship. What do you mean, you?
But Zuma, you hear me, Zuma? You hear me, Zuma? You hear me?
May I hear me, dog?
You see, now first time when me and Prudence start deal?
Yeah.
I cannot
Zozo,
murder that.
No.
No, boy.
leave him, Zozo.
No, I cannot encourage that behavior. No.
Zozo, blow him now. You get that, allow him.
No.
What do you, man?
The woman never can put low him, bro.
Yeah, we
So, put yourself in a problem with that.
Walk away peacefully. What I mean? Triple chat. You cannot kill the girl.
The greatest thing, bring it there, foot now, my dog. You have look for Yankee. All you are going, bro. They know me a fuck you, man.
Thank you.
I know we don't go nowhere now. I know I shouldn't go nowhere.
But Britney love him still.
She loves Zozo, man. Me feel like she just want to be made.
Yeah,
She get the wrong glass, dog. The wrong glass there.
One best I can get.
Wrong glass there.
React yourself.
Be tell the tune on, you want him fuck? If you want him fuck, me wish you all the best. You want him fuck? Wrong glass there. Be a get up too easy, be. Be a get up too easy. The wrong glass pull up at the bumbo class location. Done.
months. The wrangler so say, pussy, come out. Say no Yankee. Like the next time the wrangler walk with. Oh man, come out. Hey Yankee. Oh, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. A police in the escort Yankee. Guys, I'm VA lick. Alright, but Zuma.
Alright, Jess.
Alright. You see, if when me tell him to come out, and he ain't come out, anything you get in and take.
No. Yes, all time bad, thank you.
Hold on. Hold on, Zuma. Hold on. I'm take off my mask. So, Zuma, I'm going to take off the filter here, because I don't know how prudent I do.
Wait, man, thank you. Get gloves.
So, Zuma, yeah, as a real believer, so you want to tell me, say I saw, you dip on the TikTok how long, and you see me and my woman I go through struggles and everything. You see me woman when he head when ball off and nothing and go on. You never see me in time to give him rose or give me credit. So why as me bring back my woman to reality, you want to take my woman from me and go on like, oh, you want to do serious to buy car and then thing there. Bro, if you're a real nigga, bro, you don't tell the beast, say you should answer you're prudent and the dog come from too far. The man bring a gun everywhere. Everywhere. His ex-boyfriend bust up in head and me did a fear. So you could have make him know, say, oh, see what the dog depend again, mama. Real screw. Boy, you run come a beer now with a broke pocket self. Boy, you want the series. Boy, you want the series because you want well, I'm saying we can show it.
Yes!
Me not tell lie no gun, man. I'm say me show you text them. I'll show you text them.
Thank you, KK. Tell them again that's why I'm a man for my business. Hey.
Try, triple chat, my side, point up, triple chat.
Triple.
You have to text them? Yeah, me I see them. We can start ASAP. Have an idea just like Rosealee and Hakeem and Diamond figure it out. People gonna love to see us. This will be epic, trust me. We're gonna have to do some acting, but it will pay off. Yankee got suck your mother, Yankee. Yankee got suck out your big pussy mother, Yankee. Yankee got suck your mother. I say you want to come over here and style me, woman, dog. I say you want to come over here and style me, woman, dog. Yo, Zozo. Bro, I use it, I use Brit. So I'm going to chop Yankee in my head. Zozo, chop the pussy in my head in the same. Chop in my pussy clout in my head, suck your mother. I use the body more, I use Brit. I use it more, I use and get some money and call the fire. I go to see your body top, my dog. You see? Zoma. Me say, if when me tell him to come out of the house and he went tell me say, he not come out. He can't want me and my friend one time, you know.
Alright, I'm never listening.
He can't want me one time.
You are this serious.
You want the last cross the bedside. Me bum buckle at the 28 out of door sharp. Me not tap. And me nigga, I saw we a chop till we see all in and he face chop. My side, Cheers. Take him up. Mr. James, what? Come on. My side, catch your speed. Rose. My side, port up the line. How the bomb buckle right up on them there? Wait up on them there. How the bomb buckle? Rose. How the bomb rascal like this?
They cannot carry on like that. Guys, we need to go up on the double.
Are you Billy? Are you Enka Prudent from Blood Clot Zero when you went to walk a Blood Clot there? We didn't head ball off in a Kangal hat. You remember in Brittany that we were in Kangal hat? Me did it for an days, so where were him? Miss James, you can't be a money gun, Miss James.
Double.
Sir James. You know, I'm on to us in them the days there.
Alright, my people, we can watch some more and then we'll move on to the next.
Brittany go up on jet ski. If you bring him back, me go in and see with her. What dine, me go dine. What Airbnb we tear down. All of them the money they want me spend for get back my woman happy pussy. Oh God, man. Oh God, pussy.
So you spend $1
Why? God could save you. Me say you should just play hard then. You should just tell me say you now come out. You should just show me say alright then a partners me I deal with. Pussy suck ya man. Rare. And then me say alright then. Me turn it to me turn it to another level. Yeah, it's another level more than turn it to. I don't even know if it take off the filter.
Thank you.
I don't even know if it take off the filter.
But I ain't me telling you.
Policy.
We're gonna buy a bed. Why am I at your thing? Why am I?
Maya, good girl, man. Maya, some people like you, Maya.
Somebody else for table, so we're gonna buy a bed.
Tell them to buy one bed or one table. A good girl, a teacher, buy one bed or one table, drunk. I like. You cannot go near more than buy one bed or one table. No, man, I style the boy. Hey, mix some style, yeah, Maya. Jesus Christ. Look at the fucking screen, please. Think of Samsung that there.
It's a bed, guys. We're gonna get a bed.
I didn't hear Maya.
Come on. We're gonna start a channel.
So. DJ can't talk too. I'm gonna smack it.
What's up, Maya? They go.
One prudence! One number flag will put the prudence! So fight for her!
Why me can't get the gloves?
Bumbo rascal!
I know they are selling the gloves, but we're not laughing after that.
I know prudence best stiff, but
That's
sexy. Yankee got suck your mother, Yankee. DJ no big up. Yankee got suck out your mother, Yankee. I want Zoa Pro. One Zoa Pro. Wranglers 5 feet.
Guys, how much time you gonna to come out of the people?
Able got suck your mother, Able.
Leave
Able got suck out your fake pussy, mother. DJ no, big up my big brother. I know, big up, bro.
I don't know.
Able got shoot. Zuma. Able shoot and suck your nobody boy.
Zuma.
Able. Whoa.
Zuma. You come like you man and watch Rosealee Lion and wheel them and everything and get
Yankee I like that. Yankee a batty man Zozo. Yankee a batty boy. That the text you show me, bro. Yankee a real batty boy.
Zuma. Indeed get fall in love with Prudent real quick when Mala tell Prudent one did I do over so boy they get fucking an anal section name pussy like dog over so and him broke how much place that's why they deport him. Maya me not tell no lie. God for boss made not save me for lie me. I know the boy come attack me chief to get crowd so me get everything. I know Prudent have to tell me everything. I want all dirty dog shit and that's why they deport him.
Me know I want dirty dog
blood clot. Go near more team. With 10 I go like when we gonna go Bumbuckler, John Hakim and Gunman series. Galang over the yard. Galang over the naked as the day you're born.
Maya mix up.
All batty boy. Why can't you have small batty at you?
Oh Maya got jump up. Maya like this.
Yeah, right. Colette, thank you.
No, I put fun and joke aside. Zozo stood down at the roughest time of her life. Brother, it can't be fear. When the blood clot be fear over here. Zozo did it with her when she really and truly need help. And you can see man think that you woman.
Good Zuma, I just need them to live good because them, I know why them a fight and them have to live good.
Yeah, for real. Zozo, don't look at Yankee. The batty boy can't come back.
5 roses shot.
My side, 8 person rose shot.
Guys, 5 roses. Alright.
My side, 8 person rose. So we have 4 giant bumbo clap people over here.
Nikki,
rose. Oh, the bumbo rose clap. This is
why the series me in terribly. You don't understand so right?
Come on, 500 no man can get rose. Chat, here rose. But the bumbo rose clap this dog.
Come play phone. Them say what go on.
Chat, here rose. Rose man hate Rosealee.
Hey guys, I'm here.
Rose man hate Rosealee. Chat Rose. Man here to Bumbo Club. I can't get Rose.
Guys, why not my mic? I'm here.
400 people over my can't.
The boy I hear. Oh, I made him answer. Yeah, cool.
So the first thing you said to me from this year, from last year till now, I said I look stressed. I call you and take out no stress for you.
Nah, style, man. I them look a thing them do, man. I say I'm not a style, man. Woman for this say you.
Like you have you up or something.
Like you have up you, woman.
No, anything you have to say you can talk now. You never can say from this and disrespect yourself.
Still gonna chat behind the woman. Talk what you have to say, bro.
Don't tell shut up no.
My daughter down my foot.
That pussy.
My daughter down my foot. Me live somewhere, me have a roof over my head, and I couldn't tell the last time I'm hungry. So what could have possibly stressed me?
Talk now, see you woman you talk now. Talk now.
I wake up, I'm keep praying. I'm here glow your fuck. I'm feel nice in myself, I'm feel good in myself. So what could I really have stressed me? I mean, no, yes, you know, so no stress at all for me.
Both she look stressed. Both she look stressed. No man as in now.
No, cause where you say what that for?
You saw me can ask you a question.
No, but
One time could have said that
no. You see stress for me for true? Show me where you stress though. What on me where you see right now if you say K look stress?
Just real, oh, you know. Correspond while I come, just say, why you look so stressed?
I asked all of you a question. You asked me my stress. I said, don't I came on and he said, what me K?
So you ask you about stress. So me ask you about stress.
I don't understand you.
So me ask you about stress or something about that?
Of course, yeah, people if they stress, when you say stress on them, you know,
you say good evening. First thing come out of your mouth, stress.
You never say one day.
Don't feel stress for Dante.
Move rest up. First thing you see human boy is stress, like where you try to prove, where you try to say.
Make you understand him first before you kind of in a no disagreement with no one another, cause life not really that serious. So me don't want you jump and then you kind of kick off on a friend.
No, me at 6 now, I'm not to kick off, but it's a time and place everything done now. Like,
not yet.
Good morning, you see me?
Brother, I like say woman come over here, brother. We send for woman, brother, first thing you see woman.
Shut up.
You're stressed.
And I several times, more than one time, I say, don't add me. And 6 of the attitude are like, what the fuck is your problem?
Yeah, I don't force him to do it. The woman.
Alright, my people. Is it okay to ask your friend them type of question there? Like, is it not okay if you ask them that? You see me I say, you look stressed, what go on with you, Ray? You see me I say, we have to normalize them something there now. But, on the other hand, my people, them say, you can say certain things, but the way how you deliver it, that's the problem. You understand me? So let me know what you think in the comment section and make you watch some more, my people.
It's like the third time you say don't you add me, and then you just start be something you're totally not. You know what you need for be this year 6? A leader. Bye.
You start be a follower, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, Trace. You see, sometimes when them add you and you not answer, it come off like, yeah, I pan them and this and that. You see me? Or you know, want to play no match or whatever. Come me over here do my thing or whatever. Don't you add me before me see it cut off. Same add me again and that's my answer. You see me? Don't you 6 and Dante, them a do them own thing. I know, when them not have nobody to play with them, he come for a little me. You see me? And sometimes me run a match because I know so them want somebody to play with. No problem. But you don't I'ma tell you something this. I tell you something. Not even joke me no want a boy run with me. You see them level of disrespect here with them money constantly do on the up and we laugh about it. You not gonna really slide with me that area. No run no joke with me. Come in and run no joke with you. There's a time and place for everything. And every time we get them boy up on TikTok, one little inch, them take a yard. You don't know how to talk to people. Only now come talk to me anywhere. Deal with me anywhere. I'm sitting and laugh. And I like one time this. All on the fucking disrespectful. And you're gonna put a nip in it from early. Them are gonna just continue and do certain fuckery. I be a boundary. Listen to me. Remember me know what happened to me on this app. Remember say me trust the dopey on the app and the dopey literally come out and start one dopey show for me. That will never happen to me again. So I don't want no to come ask me, but so what she go on so far? I have all rights to. The man them are the most disrespectful thing to woman upon this. And you can fuck around with the other little bitches over here, but don't fuck around with me. Cause you know how this go. The moment you were supposed to be my dog, I gonna say, oh, you look so stressed. You gonna hear say, you stress out about man. Nobody now gonna talk about somebody did over here before. Good I play all my music and I laugh. And I big up the people them where do me ear, do me nails and I give a shout out to the people them when we want people to say. Nobody was never gonna say that. Them are gonna say, the boy just asked her to stress and she started start cussing like I was over here good at doing my thing. Somebody have to tell you, you're such a fucking follower, right? Disgust me. I am a friend, so I'm supposed to can't tell you it's out. You're such a fucking follower, it is so disgusting. Because you're a bright young man and people like you. You don't need to follow people to be seen. You need your own personality 2026-6. Everybody know what doing here for what him is, because doing is a little fuckhead and him fuck around and the fuckery. Dummy Akas, dummy and him court case. What are you, 6K TV? A follower? This is what you really want to be for 2026 again? I just send me this year, I just say this year then. But this is no, this I come from a good place. Stop follow, bro. Stop follow and try disrespect people who actually check for you and rate you. Because you know I'm going to check for you and rate you. So what is you want to come do? If nobody else not defend me upon this, you should have glad to defend me, because I always defended you. But all me see I do a follow. Like you have all people now make me feel no type of way. But no type of situation. I try start nothing. Come and see me vex with people when I'm happy for you. When Donia we run him joke, we expect it from Donia. When dummy we go on with him fucker, we expect it. But you being disrespectful to me, I don't expect that. And it's not the first time you do it. Me see them add me 3 to 4 times now, and you did the same exact thing. Stop being a follower, bro, because I have real love for you. You're the only man on TikTok ever coming on my personal space. Only man and woman when me meet up on TikTok are coming on my personal space. You're the only one. So I have no reason to hate you, come for you or nothing. So don't do that to me, bro. Don't act like say you want to disrespect me, bro. I love you too much for you to want to treat me like a pussy, bro. Be your own leader. Figure out who the fuck you is. Stop doing that shit to people who actually like you. Because doing you say, well, go and care, you're good. And I when me have to say to them like, well, you know a man, you don't know how to treat people. Especially woman. If 4 men come on my screen and a 1 man find it in a them to say, good evening, K. Warm to the rest I will know. And it look like if me never talk, nobody would have said anything. So I answer down here. So I say, okay. So the rest I will not go say nothing no. And Dante say, okay, sorry. When you walk in a room and you see people, mama make teach you look at manners. When you walk in a room and you see people, are you to say hello to the people them? When people walk in a room and see you, they are the ones who should say hello to you. So if me at Donia, with all of them on the stick screen, I am the one who's supposed to say, hi Donia, hi Six, hi Dummy. But they add me to their screen. As much as I'm loud and ghetto and boisterous, look from Paris, I know how to talk, I know how to act. I don't care if they're listening, they're supposed to listen. It's getting out of hand. This is the 3rd time Six says some slick shit when them add him on the screen, like me and him a beef or something. Stop doing that. If somebody else do it in a look no way, but when you do it, you're supposed to do be my friend, bro. It don't look good, bro. Cause that look like say what you all our own friend and fuck with her. Another worst thing. For anything at all, people feel like you got through or something a go on, and your friend I fuck with you too. When you have to get it from fake page and people wanna like you, when your friend do it, it hurt you. When fake page do it, it don't look nowhere. When people wanna like you do it, it don't look nowhere. But my friend, bro, every time you come on a screen with me, you acting like we beefing, bro. Stop this. And don't come tell me it's a joke you make. Don't fucking do that. Cause you see what the fuck is going on. You see that everything people do on this shit is to eat me up. And everything what me say or everything what me do on me wrong. And I don't want to be that person this year, bro. Me rather not say nothing. I'm out here I take my L's, bro. The other day I come on for live and me I talk about always talk about man argument and things them a woman not to make man do to them. We not do this to man no more. We not do that to man no more. Brother, and I got 100 fucking message and people calling my phone all over again. I don't want to be this again.
Well, my people, them say if you fling a stone in our hog pen, although this and no, we're not gonna use the analogy there. But if you never press about something, this wouldn't really bother you like that. You know what I mean? Because if a person need access, say, yo, oh, you look so stressed and you're not stressed none at all, would you act this type of way? Or you would say, you'd either say, yeah man, me stress and joke it off, or you would say, no, me good, Ray. You would be so confrontational, like, you know what I mean, or defensive. You see what I say? So let me know what you think, me people. Maybe the dog knows something more we don't know. Although we know what I go on still, cause you know what I mean, she left her man and me know she feel some type of way if you see the man move on with the next woman and them a live them best life, you see it. But I saw it go. You know what I mean, joy cometh in the morning. So let me know what you think, me people. Make you watch some more.
I'm not trouble nobody, bro. So my friend them go like say them want to slap me in my face with a pack of people wanna like me, bro. Me feel fucked up, six. If Swizzly and Six add me to the screen and Swizzly start trouble me, Six feel like saying for jump on Swizzly wagon and trouble me too. Why? Why? Are you Swizzly? No, you are Six. Sure we're Six. None of us know who you really are. So this year, Six, I would want you to show me you. Show the internet who you are. What is your talent?
Only does think one way. Me asking if she stress is not about her past blood clot does life 2025. We're not business about that, bro. Fuck do no.
Still on my TV still. Chad, push up the score. Blood clot, Lynette, thank you so much, girl.
Idiot, brother. And I'm going to rock a basic brother like some man. Sense, brother. Somebody can ask one question.
And it looks like it's never so I answer the one, yeah. So I say, okay. So the rest of them now go say not no. And then they say, okay, sorry. When you walk in a room and you see,
you know, some face expression outside.
When you walk in a room and you don't see people,
come see what they when Swiss
when people walk in a room and see you,
accept it and Swiss say, Yankee good, bro?
Who should say hello to you? So if me
probably now play a match again and so forth, but me I have nothing. Me just say she be a leader. Surprising.
Anybody say more pussy to be my manager for 1 year?
Me not even get no pussy clot highlight, cause you know really that.
Yo, me don't want to tell you about bumbo clot done.
Yeah, it's nothing, bro.
Chat, no Snapchat. Snipe team.
Fucking nothing, bro.
Chat.
Everybody make argument out of nothing nowadays.
That's a simple blow away message.
Fucking nothing, bro.
More taps, chat.
Co-worker, you know, like, you know,
Brother, I say co-worker then I like yes, sometimes people in a some delicate situation. No, you know six a delicate and when they used to run their joke there with them now, them all want to take it different. Them all want to do.
What kind of
I'm over all whip on the screen right now. You want a friend. So that's why she don't want to come at you more. Now nothing to do with my than
Facts. No, you know, so I never actually see her for true when she asks why nobody
No, never did that peer. Never did that. I mean, other did that.
I'm not doing the noise okay, because I come to the when you see her and she say, I say, oh, good wagon, okay. Come here now.
Never really focus.
But 6 year friend.
Somebody else got that money going from somebody else.
That's why.
That's why.
Now you friend. Now you that. Yeah, you that.
That's why I tell you so nothing car screen record have a way for they love you fucker from our day. Them from our day they all put every say right now they put somebody picture. Power tap. You block every screen record page in from our day when Mr. them post fuck about me.
Me nah block them, me want them post me.
No, me nah run down no post from them, brother.
No, sir, post me. Me I work on something different now. Last year me never like them, but this year me like them.
No, sir, from me say my post fucker against me, block them.
Yeah, only if them a play. Only if them a post fucker though.
Until me and my own screen recording page and with me already much less. So me then
yo, want to block them. Want to block them.
Remember say whether dog, remember say it's time.
One more flowers chat.
No, I'm joking thing. I'm no fair. I'm not gonna pay for that. I'm gonna pay for that. I'm not want to worry about my brother. But no one, no,
Never their sons. Never their sons and see all the girl and bum buckler for the man from sons. So if you kick on that pussy, you see that? You see that? You don't want none wrong, my brother. None!
My people, want to tell me what you think in the comments because Rosealee I go on until GX do her something, you know. You see me I say, if you happy with your life, Rosealee, why you not just move on with your life and allow GX? If him not take care of the youth, them allow him now and allow him. Because him never did that take care of the youth them from them born till now. You see me I say him just make a money and I do one and two thing. You see me, you have all the money in the world and you say you're happy and rare. Boy, you shouldn't even look on him. You see me I say? But let me know what you think, my people. I feel like say Rosealee want about GX. I should just want GX to be miserable. Me quote some more, my people.
Can't get yourself in no problem in my time, man. You gotta provoke you to blood clot, you put yourself in a problem. Turn on pan you, watch.
Better now.
You have to listen to your brother. Cause then you gotta provoking, brother.
I'll show you something. I'll teach you something. Big pussy girl, I'll teach you something.
Jake, let's follow up them people already. I better for you. Me tell her that. I wanna put yourself in no problem. When you heat it, cause you will do things.
No man, a time for example set now man. Time
no,
now
dog.
Man.
You have to make
time for example set is something. Like, time for example set. Time for set.
Yo, sometimes some people will take it, tell us.
Brother, you have to know say woman name a wicked youth. Me I tell you, you can't follow her up. And she a provoke Jakes, you know. Go for her man their work.
Time for example setting them.
Pitney them brother, remember you're different. Boy, me I tell you to pussy cloud.
First thing by you them dog, cause that them want you doing, them want you crash out.
People can't have enough Facebook, you man a provoke him, but you know you have to FFF him brother did they him brother did they help him. Cause by the end of the day, you know, you have to say bumbo clock, man. Look what me do. If you blood clot girl make him kill up himself and you know, put your hand on your youth. Love it, no put your hand on him, brother. Cause they will make you in a trouble. I tell you, Jakes, you're a good youth. The girl will make you in a problem and you do good. You fucking idiot. You will make people you do good and you make them fuck up your plans and everything. Take a girl. You idiot. The girl go on here, man. You don't put yourself in no problem. Over bumbo clock girl. Over girl, them a trouble and problem. And cause problem in a people's life for the
just
people.
Just what it is. Just what it is. That's one of them the dog.
Make you bumbo clock girl go
and drink out that.
Because you put yourself in a trouble, say a girl in the chat, foolishness.
And girl
wicked, and she say you do good and say, but fuck you up now. If you're not strong-minded, you better you go blood clot.
Them do me.
And relax yourself, George.
Why? Look at that. What I mean that not funny? It's funny. It's funny for true. Honestly, it's funny. You know why it's funny? You go on live with Ken, you don't expect anything. You don't expect anything. You go on live with Ken, you expect anything. And then the whole people around with. Yeah, we know say it can't start so. We know say not so it starts. She must ruffle his feather. But we just didn't want to hear what him say about her daughter. We don't want to hear what she wants to say about him. Because it must ruffle Candy's feather. Candy never just jump up and say XYZ. You understand me? Me know, but we just want I'm glad to make hear what Candy say about Kiki's daughter. No, me know. Say, I just after Candy number, then me never just get up and see somebody and say, where girl, your daughter this or your daughter that or your son this or your son that. So me know so we must have had some altercation. You understand me? Some arguments. You understand? Some form of conversation, some interaction. So we know say it must stem from this because one thing we can do, him now go just jump up and classy about your picture just so. Is that you send a request to him? You understand me? And you dip on him wrong side and he just feel to give it to you. Me just put it as low as that so they can understand. So we know say it must stem from somewhere. Because nobody, me not go just get up and tell somebody saying that a worst thing. If me not classy, me a classy because me have something going on. You say something, you must say something. If me jump up on me, I go classy. You. About something where you post or whatever. But me not go sit up and lie, but me just get up and say, your daughter old big. You must say something about me. Just like when them Ivany said for calling Batman, tell Ice to call him Batman and Candy comes up. And he waited and nobody don't say he waited. But let me say this, but just what you Candy say. Let me just say this, when everybody I jump up at top or say Candy gone too far, all I wanna envy Candy, and this is the thing where my always wanna say, in the comment sections, not for wanna dream of being a star, wanna come like the rankers and TikTokers them. A lot of you guys envy people that have a spotlight before wanna ever dream of having one. A lot of you guys, it is so quick to say cancel Candy because of big old Kiki, of what Kiki said about Candy. And none of now old Kiki accountable because all of them have Candy as Batman. Sure.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section because for the level, my people, you have to know where you get from who. You see me I say what you might get from who. You see me I say to be careful how far you go with them. You understand me? So let me know what you think, make watch some more.
And worse, the internet hold him up and all of the whole line speech and I run with it. Because before this, when I came out and said how so much people are promoting Battyism, are two things on the world, drugs and Batty. Yeah, so pick your choice, because you're not just dealer, so you must have Batty follower. Are two things on the world, and that this made just one year. You see, when I like to celebrate when people class Batman, I'm not advocating for any Batman at all. But what I'm stating is the situation. When I like to jump up and chat this when time somebody disrespect one Batty boy, I'm a sodomite. Yeah man, burn out them something there, burn out this and burn out that. And on a third provoking because when we send a request to the individual just to come up and show subliminals at them and don't expect them to deal with no way. Wanna know over crash people. Some of you who send the request in the comment section under the real bad mind. And that is just the truth. Under the real bad mind. Some of you on TikTok and like to comment. Wanna like wanna comment get how much likes. Cause you feel validated by that. And this side start from, so no one warm up on yourself to come click live. That's enough for you start. Me not look for you. That's why it is easy for someone to jump up and talk about cancel Candy gone too far now. Low Candy make him enjoy him time and ride out in the storm. Leave him alone. Leave him. If he want to tell Kiki say her daughter all big, so let it be. Kiki too enough. Where Kiki know Candy from? Eh? She too enough. She's too plenteous. So I'm supposed to tell her anything at all. Oh, them like you speak as face cat for carelessness. She's just a careless woman. I'm supposed to tell her that daughter all big from all the Batty all too. Oh, and that will only know when the parents are careless on the like blame the outside for disrespecting them. What kind of representation she have to respect her and her family and her offspring? Stop force people to respect careless people. Not too much. Not too much. That's why every request me not answer, you know. When I now send me a request of a job, give me my man Jayden and my enemy Shay. Give me them two there. My man Jayden and the whole of the Middle East where Ivany put my account and make that niche there. Yeah. It's true. Me not sit down on live with none of them. I'm Brit. Me not sit down on live with none of them and know say them not like me and them pan. So Shabada, why you hate people? Me not hate people, me hate you. And you me hate. Me hate you like a dog. And so me just start off the conversation. Yeah. And plus speaking real one. Yeah. And you come and say, Shabada, why you hate people? Why you not like nobody? Me don't hate nobody. I just hate you. Me hate how you all big and could have drop out of it. me I go in long time because me don't know me not intelligent, you know. Me not intelligent, me aggressive in my thoughts. Me not intelligent at all, yeah? Jake's cussing out on the line. Am I? Jake's a walk on the house. Jake's mind your pressure. Mind your pressure, Jake.
Could have never. Could have never. I'm not sure. I'll be a teen and starfish, I'll be a teen and starfish.
Yeah.
I can't take so much classes. I can't take so much people. I can't do so much people yourself.
I can be some movie.
What?
I can some movie. I am afraid.
I can't deal with two people one time. Where am I?
How is the New Year treating us so far?
Trying to give my life to God and showing her nastiness. And make my soul shall set free.
So I got to take off your pants and put on your underpants.
You not worry about that. You ask me what I plan to do for the new year. You not step down in a forward with me. So what's the other? How much have I dressed that? That the kind of fun.
Couple thousands.
Couple thousands. I don't understand that. Anybody can say couple.
I won't leave my money. It's big. Oh, VCOP.
You short. I never asked that. How much you pay for it?
I'll
now buy man dearly car and a paper bread when I live in. How much you pay for it?
I pay a 30 grand fee.
And it's what type of flick?
Our name, VSOP, NSC.
But it here right down here where you buy.
So around.
I never say nothing. I'm just saying. So you start to have your new year?
Yeah, give man things.
I ride a typical bicycle.
That's typical I can ride bicycle.
Exactly.
This nice.
So New Year started, you know, change your phone's mattress. So I think in your room.
It's not supposed to change to you. It's not a change to you. And guess what now? Come let me tell you something, Kiki. Guess what? Guess what, Kiki? I don't think you're louder than me. So you think you're louder than you?
I mean, I think
and guess what? Me the courage.
I think you're mother than
new to you. I remember dealing with you. Another boss them coming. You think you're bigger than you? You're the cutlet here. You're the digger bigger than you. Say you what you say now. Anything where you coming today, we're not in that. The reason I come for reason, the suck your mother Kiki. The lift up, you should have a bicycle for your kids. You talk about Kiki, me bigger than you. So me a dig off left you. The suck your mama. Use Drake's as cloud. Don't use me as cloud. Use Drake's as cloud. And your big pussy pitney. You suck good daughter. The suck out your mama. When it's my time, the suck your mama, girl. My bigger than you, the suck your mother. I run the joke in her, but the suck out her mama. And the suck out her pitney. But I run the joke in her. I serious, the suck your mama, Kiki. When I joking time, and you come here, come up with your stinking stuff. And nobody know you. You try to be insane, bad.
Shame.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. Make you watch some more.
Not half excited, I'm ashamed. Look at me, I laugh. I mean, I laugh, you know. Me shame, man. She know next time I ramp with me. Why? I can't even talk about that. It's too much news we have to go and listen.
Them a try turn the town against each other. Them want the whole on for broke up. Them want some of them type it. Me just block some of the little while I say, oh, a Rose said. Me just block them little while.
Them man, let me tell you what them want. Them want you hear that. Them beat me whole year last year, you know. Yes, every road. Them can't ease me now. Them
not beat. Them not ease the foot. Listen, them not gonna ease the 4 round now. Stop. Them not ease the 4 round.
Them want me get wrong for the one and that. Them want Rose not have no friend. But man, me get wrong for life. Me get wrong for life. Me never get right. Me never see nobody pick up for me yet. Never. And me have to fight for myself. Or me just tired of them. Me don't know what Jenny a call. Me don't even know Jenny. Jenny a follow me and you don't like me, Parry. Don't follow me then, ladies. True all bad man. And New Year, brother, and everybody a go like me, brother. Everybody are then crew. You have one set we like Rosealee, one set we like me. Me not have a problem, dog. Yeah. Me just Lego me name, dog. And me a one woman and me just tired now. And New Year, I feel like they Lego me shirt up so. And then I Lego me get a park as my driver. They can't Lego me shirt no, Parry. They just light and then they par me. Me barely come live, Parry, because me just tired of internet. It a drain me energy, me tired of them.
But don't make that make you give up though, darling. Don't make that make you
me not give up. But me sitting down here, I see everybody a water down my brand. Me have feelings.
Yeah. Yes, you do. But guess what? One less monkey off your back.
And me have to stand up for it.
Yeah.
Me see my name, I go down in I grown. And I had my work for my name. And it's my and I'm a birth name. And me just me tired of people and drag it through the dirt. Everything me do is bad. Me never do nothing good for nobody in a life yet. But me little till now. Me never get right. Little more, yeah.
Alright, then. Diamond, you can read. Jenny, no, make sure read nothing.